Hello, this is Darren Williams, Cleaning Research Group Leader and Professor of Chemistry at Sam Houston State University. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the upcoming Product Quality Cleaning Workshop next May 16th and 17th here at Sam Houston State. This is a new project to support the cleaning industry and to meet demand for more training in general and precision cleaning. All companies suffer to some degree from employee turnover, changing regulations, and tighter product quality cleaning specifications. The Product Quality Cleaning Workshop addresses this challenge head-on. Our goal is to bring vendors, buyers, managers, and users in the cleaning industry to a 2-day training seminar to enable them to make informed decisions to solve their complex cleaning issues. This workshop is a joint venture between Sam Houston State University and BFK Solutions. This team has decades of experience in research and in consulting in the cleaning industry. This experience allows them to present the amazing array of topics seen here. And hosting the workshop in the laboratory setting of Sam Houston State University allows real-time demonstrations of analytical techniques such as contact angle measurement, UV light inspection, and even FTIR microscopy, and also cleaning techniques like vapor degreasing and ultrasonic cleaning. The instructors for this workshop are the well-known rocket scientist and cleaning lady Ed and Barbara Koenigsberg, and the Clean Research Group Leader Darren Williams. The workshop will be held May 16th and 17th at Sam Houston State University in Huntsville, Texas. Register now because space is limited. Links to the workshop page and to the registration pages are in the video description below. Thanks and have a nice day.